Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace your gaming mouse Fit Glide sticker. So here you can see after some use the stickers on your mouse will run out and it will become damaged and cause your mouse to respond slowly or less effective. So let's see how you can replace it. I'm going to use a tweezer and remove the old stickers. Now the old stickers can be quite sticky, so maybe if you use a heat gun or a hair dryer to soften the glue on your mouse. So I'll do that now. Okay, so just gonna apply some heat to the pad. It doesn't need to be very hot, just lightly. Now you can see the stickers will come off more easily. Now I'm just going to pull it out. Just pull out gently, you don't want to have any leftover residue sticking to the mouse and it will make it harder. So that's it. Now we can remove the two bottom pad as well. Now this is a Logitech G300S. Okay, after that you need to give it a good clean. So we're going to use this alcohol pad. So I'm going to use this alcohol wipe and then give it a real good clean so that it has a clean surface. So I'm just going to clean at the top and bottom as well. You can see here still have some leftover residue on the edge, so we want to clean it completely, top and bottom of the mouse. Okay, so after giving a good clean, it's time to put our 3M adhesive onto it. So I'm just going to strip it off and then we're going to place it on top of the mouse. Right here. Sorry. Just going to place it on right here. Okay, so just press it down all the way down, and then we can peel off the protective layer later on. So I'm just going to do it for the other two as well. So I'll peel this one off and then I'll place it on in here. Okay, so that is on the right hand side. And then we're going to do one on the left hand side as well. Okay, so I'm just going to apply firm pressure onto the glider, the Fit glider. And then we're going to peel off the protective cover right here. So just peel that off. And then right here as well, just gently and peel it off. We don't want to cause any damage here, so we're just gonna gently and peel off the cover. And that's it. So that's how you can replace the Fit glider for your gaming mouse. This is a Logitech mouse, and that's it. So it's nice and smooth now. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.